Hi guys, your girl Tineké Iman, and I'm back with another video. So this video just is a very quick tutorial on how I just slay my brows, my everyday brow. It's just an updated video because my last video was like a year ago, so we do like an update, you know, and this is how, you know, she slays her brows. So keep watching. So I'm gonna start with my spoolie and just brush my eyebrows up and then down just to get the shape. So I'm brushing the front of it up and then just down. And then I'll use my Benefit pencil first to outline. This is in the colour 5. And, oh man, it's been finished. Right, but we're going to use this just to outline. So I start like here. I don't start at the front. I start like a third of the way through. And just draw a line like that. And the same for the top. And do on the other side. So it looks like this. And then I'm still using my MAC fluid line in the colour Dip Down. And my favourite eyebrow brush, like ever, this is my MAC one in 263. And I just dab a bit and then fill that in. Make sure your brush is clean for the best application. So I just wipe it into my micellar water on my cotton pad. Just dip it into the pomade. As you can see, I'm not going to the front yet. I'm just filling in the brow, the rest of the brow. Literally just light strokes like that. And then once most of the product is off of the brush, I just go to the front and do light strokes upwards. And that's how I get that fade. And then to the other side. And obviously, as you can see, I have a scar, so I like to keep my scar out. And that's literally how I do my eyebrows. I hope you enjoyed this video. You know, slay your brows. Let me know if you use any products. Show me any pictures. And, you know, next video right there. Subscribe right there. Peace.